This video is going to show you how to multiply decimals using the breaking apart method. And the example that we're going to use for this is 3 25/100 times 7. So just like the breaking apart method for whole numbers, we are going to break apart one of these factors into two numbers and multiply the other factor by each of those parts. So for example, I can break up 3 25/100 into 3 and 0.25 or 25/100. I'm going to multiply each of these times 7. Okay, so off to the side, 3 times 7 is the first part, because it's one of my breaking apart numbers times the factor. 3 times 7 is 21. I know that because I know my basic multiplication facts. Now I want to think about what the other part of my factor, 25/100 would be times 7. If I think about it like money, I know that it takes 4 quarters to make $1, and I'm thinking about 7 quarters. So I'd have 4 quarters that make $1 and 3 quarters left over, which would be $1.75 or 1 75/100. Just like in the original breaking apart strategy for whole numbers, I now have to add these two parts of my product or partial products. So 21 and $1.75. I need to add those two together, making sure to line up my decimal points. 21 plus $1.75 or 1 75/100. And I get 22 75/100. Let's think about if our answer makes sense for what our problem is. 3 25/100 is pretty close to the whole number 3. It would round down to the whole number 3. And 3 times 7 is 21. 22 75/100 is pretty close to 21, so I would say that that's proof that our answer is accurate.